Hey guys, welcome to my course Salesforce and for the Africa Support page. My name is Christoph and let's get started. As you can see on the web page of the Africa Support page, there is missing something. I cannot see any video there just because we have a video about the idea. Maybe we can promote other videos as well, but in this way we need to implement the video into the web page. What I wanted to do is if we click on purpose of the page, you can see that there's opening something, and if you click on the start page, there's opening the start page itself. And so my proposal is that we go to implement the video here as also in here, just because it's about the purpose of the page. And I think that is good if we implement it even without logging in. I think that would be a good one. Maybe we get more people over that, and even if you are just making them aware of this web page and about the idea, maybe they are listening and they just watch this video. Maybe we should abbreviate it a little bit, but by now let's keep it like 20 minutes. Later on, I mean, it should be okay. Let's get started. So the one is show the start page, and the second is the purpose of the page, and we need to implement the YouTube video in here. So let's go to the developer console for that. To start the developer console, you have logged into Salesforce. You click on this wheel and you click on developer console. Then you are getting a link. That link I got so far, and that is what I implemented here. So I opened up a new tab, and in that tab I put in the link like this, or you can even say right click and put it in. I mean, here it's in German, but anyway, it's the same in English, but with another label. The Africa Support page, as I said, show start page. Let's see, show start page. Okay, as you can see here, you get the action here, and there's happening something in this action. Let's see what is exactly happening so that you know. As you can see here, there's a class, and we need to open up the class by open up the file, open, and then we need to put in the name, and then click to classes, and then we get the classes, and it's going to be opening. The method show start page we need to look for, because that is implemented in here, like this way, in the action for the comment link. And as you can see, there's going to be a page status. The page status is used in the page to say where the guest has clicked on. In this way, it is a show start page. If you click on this, it's going to be another one of the purpose. It should be the purpose. Yeah, let's reload it. Show start page. Okay, purpose of the page. Okay. We are already on the purpose, and then on the start page. Okay, as you can see, it is switching in between. On the page itself, or maybe I can show you the page status. It's also declared. It needs to be declared like the page status in here. As you can see here, it is public. Public is for Africa Support page, so that you can call it in the page. If it is not public, you cannot call it. Public means you can call it from another class or from that page in that way. The page status itself, it's say okay, get in the set method. Private means that only here it can be set, like in the in this area. It cannot be set on the web page or by typing in something. Good. Anyway, But let's concentrate on the page status. As you can see here, maybe you remember the line 392 because we have been in there. As you can see here, that's going to be the landing page, the show start page. Show start page is the landing page. That is why we got the page status landing. Let's see where those page status are. As you can see here, that is the landing status. And I think we should go like this. Let's get an overview. The landing is going to be this. Okay. Landing. Let's see. Let's take this one. I think it's going to be the better group. Yeah. Not register, but landing. Yeah. Just because we want to implement it in there. That's the first one. Landing. Okay. Only 3 ones. Okay. Because it should be, or the video should be shown if the page status is landing. Yeah. No matter. Yeah. No matter what kind of. Well, let's see. Maybe. Yeah. Let's do it like this. Yeah. As that could be a user story. Yeah. And that is what we should do by now. If we click on the show stat page, we'll get this video. Do we already have a video on the? I don't think so. I don't think there's already a video. So I go like I don't think we have an iframe or a video. No. Oh, we got an iframe. We got already an iframe. That's okay. I think we can also implement YouTube. Let me see if is it like video? No. Is it like YouTube? No. Is it like what? No. Salesforce, Visualforce. What is going to be YouTube? Yeah. If you don't know, we look it up. How to create Visualforce page in Salesforce? You should know. Salesforce Visualforce. No. Implement Visualforce. No. Implement YouTube. Implement YouTube. How to build efforts param using dynamic? No. No. Best practices that can be use videos from any provider with a custom.
CRM software.
Implement YouTube into Visualforce page. Embed. Okay, embed. It seems it's like an iframe. Okay, great. Yeah, it was my first guess to use an iframe, so we're gonna use an iframe and implement the iframe. Let's see. Let's put it in here, just because we have already. Oh no, that's I think in the section here. As you can see in the page status is government. So let's see the other page section. What's going to be that? That's going to be the page status. Okay. Confirm registration. Yes, I think we should go like the Africa Support, because we have some sections in here. So let's try it to put the video like this, just to save time. Let's take this video just because we want to have that video. Yes, like this, and it should be done by now. Caution, yeah, because if you use the site, it's gonna be shown on the website already, just because you're using directly the site, yeah, or the page of the site. because the Africa Support or Africa Sub is directly the site. Yeah. If you want to try out something, yeah, you do like this. You copy the page. You should create a new one, or there is even another one, like AS class dummy or something. Yeah. Or let's say test or anything. It's not like test, maybe like prototype, sandbox. Yeah. But by now there's nothing like this. Let me see if we have another class for this. No. So we, let's say, create a new class, AS, yeah, class, and then we have this gonna be like sandbox. Yeah? It's gonna be the sandbox. Let's take the same as in here, just only the name needs to be changed. As you can see here, the name is going to be sandbox. Let's try to save. In the meanwhile, you can also wait for the saving, or as you can see here, it's already done, and the construct doesn't need to be changed to the same name as the class. That's the only issue by now, just because we are creating a new class and we are just creating the sandbox. By now we are trying out something. The thing is, by now it is already public, and so as you can see here, something is not working by now. That is why we shouldn't implement it in the actual page. We should only implement it there if we are sure that everything will go fine. Yeah? So the site we shouldn't use, because external users can, or even guests without login can see it, and we don't want to mess up anything. That is why we are putting it into another one. Let's put this one into to-do, like this. And the Africa support page itself will be also a page like Africa sub underscore sandbox, just because we are not doing anything on the actual one. We are just changing the controller, just because we don't want to take this controller because it's the actual controller, and we save it, or we try to save it at least, but it should be fine so far. As you can see here, it is saving, and if it is saved to an end, the saving will go, and we are fine so far. The first one will take some time, just because it's a lot we pull over, but it's fine. And as you can see here, we will save it again, just because of the to-do. And now you need to be cautious, because you won't see any change on this side, of course. Yeah, that is what that is supposed to be. If you change anything in the sandbox class, yeah, or in the sandbox page. Okay, let's see. Let's take the to-do, the iframe. I mean, you need to know what about the to-do. Let's save it in the meantime, and let's try to put it in here. And now we are saving it again, and let's make a preview, and let's see if even in development it is not working. Let me see why. Just because it can be the remote site settings actually. So let's have a look on the remote site settings, because YouTube is maybe not allowed here. So we're gonna use the YouTube excuse me man, and save it. Invalid data. Okay, it's the iframe, my bad. I don't want to get the iframe, I want to get the video. and it will be abbreviated to youtube.com. Let's take it again. So maybe there's an issue with YouTube itself, just because of the iframe. As you can see, it has been refused by now. Yeah. Maybe this one. Let's see the embed. Maybe we just need to use another. What's gonna be? Let's see. It's not the watch one. It's the embed one. Okay. Let's do it like this. And the embed. This. Oh, okay. Let's save it again. Okay, as you can see, the embed one will do it. By now, let's we tried it out, yeah, so we can put it into the page itself, and that's going to be the side one. The side one is on the left hand side. See if it's working. So you can see it is working. Let's try it also out on the incognito, but it is working. So it doesn't matter on which page, yeah. The start page, the login page, or anything, that's going to be everywhere. Yeah? I mean, not here in the first place, but in the second place. Yeah, I think it's good enough by now. Perhaps it's page. I think that should be fine so far. And so we could go on. Yes, if you got any questions with that, just don't hesitate to talk to me. Just because I think we need this on the page by now. I mean, that's a small or like a quick change, but anyway, it needs to be done, and needs to be known. Yeah? So I shared the information, and I hope you can do it on your own.